So you want to make 3 balloons at once. Well, firstly you twist the smallest balloon and then you put it in the medium balloon. Then try to push it in, stretch it, blow into the big balloon, stretch it a little bit, and then blow into the small balloon. Deflate. And now twist the 2 balloons and then put them in the 1 balloon. Just make it tricky so you don't have to mess with it for a little bit. Now try blowing the big balloon. Wow. Okay. Now you blow into the small balloon, make it to whatever size you want it. Tie. Now blow into the medium-sized balloon. And lastly, blow up the big balloon. Ta-da! You got a balloon inside a balloon inside of a balloon.